In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Exness to MyFxBook. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go over to Exness on my.exness.com, and then you want to sign into your account. After you do that, click on My Accounts up here, top left, and then click on either Real or Demo over here. I'm going to showcase this with a demo account, so I'm going to click Demo. And then here, you want to click on Open Account. After you do that, you want to, of course, select any of these accounts over here that you would like. I'm going to go ahead and go with the standard one. Click on Continue. And then here, I'm going to just select US dollar. Nickname is going to be just standard. For example, doesn't matter. The leverage is going to be as it is. And then the platform over here, what you should select is either MT5 or MT4. So whichever you prefer, select that one. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on MT5 over here. Then you're going to have to set in your trading password. So I'm just going to go ahead and do something random like this. There we go. And then here you want to click on Create Account, and it's going to create your either regular or demo account. Then go ahead, go to MyFxBook, click on your account icon top right, and then click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, go ahead and switch to Accounts, which should be over here as the first tab. Let me close this. There we go. And then here you want to click on Add Account. And then here you have to select MT4 or MT5 depending on which one you selected over here. So for example, I selected MT5. You should select this one. You can do the auto update or the live update, but this one is free. So I'm going to do auto update because the live update costs $5 a month. Here I'm going to click on that. And then here you'll see you can go ahead and click on the account name over here, and then you have to set in the account name, and then where you can see the broker, you're going to have to basically select it. Okay, so here Exness, you want to look for it. There we go. And then here it's going to require the server, so the server is going to be in here. It should be all the info should be in here. There we go. So server is, as you can see over here, Exness MT5 Real 11. So I'm gonna do Exness MT5 Real 11. You have to basically find the one on the list. Where is it? There we go, here it is. Then you have to put in your account number, which should be this one over here. You paste that in here like that, there we go. And then your investor password as well, which is basically your password you can change and set over here. I just set it earlier, as you were able to see. And then you want to basically put in that password, give it an account name, which you can change later, so that's completely up to you. And then simply click on Create Account, and then your account will be connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.